Hey, welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I typically try to keep my shows under 15 minutes. And I was running a little long on the review of this Retekess TR613. And one thing I didn't get to is the Mp3 player. Now, this is AM, FM, shortwave Mp3 player. And I was running too long on the other stuff. But I'm going to do that now. So we're going to turn this on. Takes a few seconds to come on. And then we're going to select the Mp3 player by pushing this M button for mode. Okay. It just read the Mp3 player and is now playing. And you can see once it's selected a track, it shows you the number of minutes and seconds it's into that track. Also, if I can get the camera to help me, you can see now there's more indicators on the display. The far upper left shows that I'm playing in the forward direction. The next one is a little indicator for a TF card, that the TF card is inserted. The next one, which is two arrows going in opposite directions, is the fact I'm in the loop mode. And if I can hold this and push the loop button and hold, okay, now that went away. So it's not in loop mode, so it's going to play all the tracks one time and then stop. Push and hold again. It's in the loop mode to loop on one track. Hold again. Now it's going to loop on all the tracks. So when the indicator is flashing, that means it's only going to loop on one track. When it's solid, that means it's going to loop on all the tracks that are on this Mp3. Now, let's turn the volume back up. This is recordings from the YouTube free library, which you're allowed to use on your YouTube channel. So we can play it. Okay, it sounded like that one was ending. Yep, you just went to the next track, number 10. Good bass, lots of volume. Now I can go to the next track, 11. Go to the next one, 12. Or I can push and hold, so we're on 12. It went up 10. I can push hold the other direction, then it'll go back 10. Back to 12. Pretty cool. Go one track. Good bass, very good bass. I just let you listen for a few seconds. Go to the next one. A little different. Go to the next one. So it really does a good job of the Mp3 player. It doesn't record. So you can't record off the radios like some of the Retekess other radios. So you can only play back. And I love the fact that YouTube has these music files, which they are quite good, that you can use in your YouTube videos for demonstrations like this and for just using them. That's it. Sorry I had to break this up into two videos, but like I say, I don't like to run over 15 minutes on a single video. People lose interest and stop watching, and they might miss something important. So that's the Retekess TR613 in the MP3 player mode. That's it. If you enjoyed these shows, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.